Hey guys, I'm sure every one of you out there own a little point and shoot camera, the type that have a fixed lens that zoom in and out. And a lot of you probably know by now that after a while, dust gonna build up on this thing. But when the dust is on the outside, it's very easy to clean, with a brush and blow and so forth. But what happens when the dust get inside the lens or even on the sensor? Well, we have right here is a Sony CyberShot DSC WX350 model here. And now, we found a little bit dust on the inside and got to the point I think there is a little dust on the sensor. And how do you tell when there's dust on the sensor? Well, take the camera and point at a white spot and zoom it in, and you could see if there's any spot on it. And in this case, we have a little spot on here. So we're gonna go ahead and get this going, and we're gonna go clean it. A quick, easy way to check the lens, how dirty it is, we go ahead and open it up and take a little flashlight and shine at it. And if you tilt it in a certain angle, you can see what kind of dust you see the inside or the outside of the lens. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and turn the camera on and go ahead and clean out any dust that may be on the lens. Just go ahead and blow that out. Then we go ahead and zoom it out as far as we can. Without turning off the camera, we can go ahead and remove the battery. So what happened here is we keep the lens in the out position. What we do is go ahead and grab the first ring, the cover on this lens, and we'll go ahead and pull it straight out. It may take a while, but do it slowly. So there you go. Here's the cover that comes out. And as you can see on this camera particularly, there is like two little tape on here that holds this little cover on. So once we got this open, and also you can see a little slot on this side and also on this side that opens up to the lens on the inside. And I can see right now there's a little dust on there. And we remove that. Take this cover. Go ahead and clean this out a little bit. And on this cover here, you could tell there's one little notch right here. And that little notch fits into that lens. So how are we going to clean this? Guess what? That's what we're going to do. So we're going to go ahead and take our handy dandy vacuum cleaner and clean the lens out. And yeah, just make sure when you're vacuuming, don't touch that lens. It looks pretty good. looks pretty good. We'll go ahead and put our little cover back on it. And don't forget, we have a little notch that's only going one way. Just go ahead and push it firmly back in place. Get our battery. Back in. Hey guys, here we go. Let's go ahead and check this out. Turn on the camera, zoom it in, and it looks like our spot is gone from the sensor. So that was your quick tutorial on how to clean the lens on this Sony CyberShot DSC WX350 model. And thanks for watching.